So we're back with a new video. It's gonna be a little bit different. I finally got my car a white pipe and mid pipe. For the longest, I've been running it just with an Axleback. I'll do it before and after. I'll do a cold start right now since I haven't started my car all day. I'll just do remote start. That way I could hold the camera because it is snowing a little bit where I live. So that took a while. I'll get straight to the point. I'll just turn on my car, let you guys hear the cold start. I'll wait for these trucks to stop driving by because I think my camera's mic is not the best. I need to get the attachment so it has a better mic. So pretty much I got the Rev9 white pipe, mid pipe, and I'm gonna hook it up onto my Helmholtz Axleback for my Q50. It's the 3.0. It's not the one with the 3.7 engine in it. So this will be the cold start with the Axleback, so you guys could hear a comparison. And then once I get everything on, I'll show you guys how it sounds, and hope you guys enjoy the video. I do a couple drive-bys as well. So here it is. That guy over there just chilling by his Subaru. It's only a little bit loud, but it's not too loud. It's more like deep, but it sounds nice. I liked it a lot. I rock with it a lot. That right there's my sister's Q60. I'll be making more videos on that too, some installations. She has a different Axleback. It's the one that's not resonated. So if you guys want, I can make a separate video showing you guys that exhaust for a cold start and everything. So we'll go from there. And let me just bring the car inside and start with the install. I'll keep you guys updated. So here I have the exhaust all laid out. That's the hardware. I'll set up the camera on a tripod and start doing like a time lapse. I currently don't have 4 jack stands, so I'm gonna have to lift it up on one side to make it easier for me. I only have 2 jack stands and the jack, but I'm making it work. I don't want to waste time going home and picking them up, so we'll get started with the install. Alright, so it's about 5 to 10 minutes later. I finally got the white pipe off. Still gotta take off the mid pipe. I don't know if you can really see because it's kind of dark. There we go. And then I just need to take off that part, and then that'll be it. Screw everything together. Make sure to put on the gaskets. Turn on the car. Check for some leaks, and then I could do a couple of drive-bys for you guys, and then we'll go from there. So after fighting with these, those were my toughest challenge. I was finally able to take it off. So here's the old, and once again I'll show you guys the new. Next step is going to be me putting the new one on, and hopefully this is the easiest part. I'm pretty sure taking it off, especially if it's fully stock, is the hardest. Here's my Axleback. By the way, this is the Nissan one. It's not a third-party brand. I have a quad tip on there, but it's kind of my temporary setup. It's not on right. I want to get bigger tips and get them welded on. I got the white pipe on now. Let me show you guys. Looking nice. And just FYI, you know, this isn't an install video or how to. It's just kind of me going through the process of installing it and showing you guys the way, the start and the finish, just to kind of, you know, get myself out there in the community, you know, interact with other Q50 members, get different ideas, help each other out. Pretty much it. A couple hours later, I finally finished. It's a hassle. As you can tell, that tip is crooked, that tip is crooked, but I'm tired. It's already late. I haven't ate. But I'll fix it when I got time, when I have time actually. So this is gonna be the first cold start with the Rev9 wide pipe and mid pipe that hooks onto the Helmholtz Axleback with the resonators. It is the one from Nissan. It's not the PLM one or any other ones that have the other resonators. So let me do a quick remote start and then see how it sounds. It's basically a cold start as of now. Sounds pretty nice. I actually like it a lot. Definitely sounds a lot different, a lot more aggressive. I don't know if you could tell in the video. Quad tip's looking nice. Definitely want to go a little bit bigger. Definitely fix the fitment with it, because that one's kind of off. I'll definitely fix it once I get the bigger tips, and I'll have someone center them for me and everything, get them molded on. Other than that, sounds pretty good. Let me get a couple revs in for you guys and see what you guys think of it. I'll do a couple drive-bys right now as well. Alright, so now I'm about to do a couple of drive-bys. Hope you guys like how it sounds. And a couple of downshifts as well. So my camera kind of died, so I'm recording on my phone. I think it sounds a lot deeper, and honestly, I'm excited for when I get downpipes. That should make it sound a lot better, but for now I have different plans. I don't want to spend so much money, especially with the new car I have coming on the way. I kind of want to save for that. So sounds good. But hope you guys like this video. I got more videos coming up. This is definitely one of the videos it honestly motivated me. I know it's not the perfect video for the channel, but you know, it's kind of hard to record and install something. So, and it's a lot of hard work, you know. You really learn to understand how YouTubers take a while to do videos and how much work to put in. And I will have a separate video for this car. It has the non-resonated Axleback, so it sounds honestly a lot louder than mine. If you want to check out the video of the Axleback, it's by itself. I do have a separate video. I'll put it down in the description. That way it's, you know, I have a cold start video with just the Axleback, and I have some drive-bys as well, so I don't need to make a separate video from the start. even though I gave you guys a cold start in the beginning of the video. But hope you guys like the video. You know, like and subscribe. Definitely got a lot more coming. Got a lot of content that I really want to show you guys, and I'm excited for the next video. And most likely will be the next video. If not, it'll probably be just the review on this Axleback. So like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a good day.